Hello, I'm here today to review this amazing kids printing camera. So whenever you just take the photo, it will print right away, and it's amazing and instant camera here. So let's go ahead, open it, review it together, show you how fantastic it is and how to use it.
Let's go ahead and open the beautiful camera package here and show it to you and apply it and show you how fantastic it is and fun it is. So it comes with the manual, of course, the user manual, the adjustable thread here so you can, or belt, so you can hang it on top of the sides of the camera. And here is the rolls of the printing papers and some beautiful colors so you can type on it, as well as memories and the charger as well. So, and here is of course the camera itself. So here is the camera, and I'm going to show you now how to use it, what is the features inside, and then we're going to use it together. So I'll start by showing you here. It will say to you that here where you can put the rolls of the paper, of course, and how to apply it as well so you can apply it correctly. I'm going to show the inside here for you, and here we go. This is the camera. I'm going to take this film off the screen, and I'm going to start it, and here we go. So let's go through some features like games, like some other filters for the camera as well. Whenever you take the photo frame, so they have like different frames to it, which is fun, adds more fun to the pictures itself. This is how the camera looks like. It's so beautiful. I definitely love it so much. So I just clicked on it to take this picture and save the picture already, and I can print it and go ahead and print it. I didn't put the papers yet, so it's not going to print it now. Once I apply the paper and print it together with you, I'm going to show you now how it's gonna look like as well, and how fast it's going to print. It's pretty fast, so it's right away out of the camera and printing the paper. Here is the other filters in other frames to the frame of the photo itself. Is so fun. And let's go ahead now and go through all of them, show you all the features, and then we'll go next to use the camera and have fun applying it and show it to you together. I definitely recommend it. It's so much fun camera, and it's very, very easy to use. Children can use it very easily, and it is a kids friendly, and of course beautiful, and can be portable, very easy and fun. And you can just take the picture, print it, share it with friends, share it with family. So it's a lot of fun to have with this camera, of course. Let's go ahead now and try it with my son and my daughter and show you how fantastic and so much fun it is.
don't know even how to play it.
Well, I know how
Down, right, down, right.
Mommy, I know how to. You have to make the shape correct.
Yes, but it's just going down and right. I want left. Where is the left? You just keep doing it. Game over.
And do a different game.
I want to figure out.
Well, I know how to play that.
It's just going this. Stop touching the Zeft. Get away.
You have to stack them on top of each other.
No, Lily, it's not the Tetris one. Guys, I know all these games before you even born.
How? You never played games in your life.
Really?
Yeah, really.
How to navigate this thing? Okay, here. Here, this is the Tetris one that you're talking about, girl.
Yes, the Tetris one I'm talking about.
But how to turn it around? Like, okay, this is... This is right and left. How to change it?
You move. My horse. No, it's my horse.
This is... What? Ah! Why game over? This is so stupid. Oh, here, changing from
Stop.
here.
Stop. Ha! Tricked ya. Stop. Stop.
بس يا زفت منك ليها.
He keeps hitting my horse.
What will happen to your horse, Lily?
Stop.
And did you hear stop, Jojo?
Stop.
Are you starting to annoy people